Feel bad. Hi everybody and welcome to another video. As you can see behind me, there's a bunch of nerf guns. In this video, I'm going to be reviewing all the nerf guns I have. Toy guns that I could find. Well, these guns. I was thinking of making a video with them, like a fake. What does that sound? So, as I was saying, this is what we're going over. And if you see any blasters you would like to see in a video or anything, comment down below. And give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and if you don't like it, why are you still watching it? Don't dislike it, that's just me. Okay. As I was saying, we'll see this in a video. Just tell me. It's the Retaliator. It's this part's stuck, but this part comes off perfectly fine. You can give it a smaller clip, like this is an 18 clip, way too big. And we will definitely put this into a video. Just comment down below what video you would like to see it in. Zombie apocalypse, army base and choosing, secret mission, like something like that. Anything that has to do with guns. Okay. Moving on to the next gun. Toy AR-15. Painted it a bit. Paint's starting to come off. I was thinking that this would go on the secret mission one, but your decision. I'm just the maker. You guys decide what you see. Also, if you like my hand, I'm going to put this into one of the videos on my one. All of them, actually. All of them. You know what? Not going to pause the video. Let's just move on. Looks like we got this sniper rifle. It's too big to fit on my screen. See? I think it's actually the same height as me. Nope! But it's up to my waist. Well, this is just a standard sniper rifle. You can hold it like this. Actually, this is actually surprisingly comfortable. Then you have to reach it over the last and go like that. Personally, I am right-handed. So I would hold it like this. Ish. Down the barrel button. Okay, as I was saying, revolver, Western video, Cowboys, something like that, or not get serious, I think, or you could just choose the video that this goes in. Okay, comment down below what video you want this to go in. I would have said something else about this blaster-ish thing. Doesn't even shoot, just makes that sound. An extremely annoying sound. Bought this at a store for like $3. Let's move on. Okay, as I was saying, my mother just came down, so I had to pause for a quick second. Or a minute. I don't know what in a second. But she's having a wee bit of a nap, so I made her to pause again in the video. But shotgun. Ooh. Shotgun. Pump action. You can just hold down on the trigger and go like. hold it like this. Some right-handed, so you get the point. You can hold it down and go rapid fire. Now moving on to the last gun. Possibly the biggest one. Gatling gun. Actually, let's take the Gatling gun and the sniper rifle side by side. Made by the same company. Both of these are made by Air Warriors. Oh, the sniper rifle. Wait a second. This is a screw-on tip. So maybe I could screw this off. Put it on the gun. It's here. 1 second. Let me just. Okay, as I'm saying, if I unscrew it, the tip off. The sniper rifle's still a bit bigger, but it's not my point. Sniper rifle's done, okay? Let's try to put this thing on. Oh, the barrel thing's too big. Wow. This has a lot of ammo. Also, if you have any questions, I will be having a Q&A soon. So just comment, please. I actually want something to read down in the comments below. Nobody's been commenting. Okay, 7 minutes. Okay, running out of time real quick here. Or if you wanted to see another video game video, first vlog that I'm keeping on my channel would be this one. Just reviewing all my blasters. The ones that don't even shoot darts, like this Arrow 15 down here, if I can get it without falling. What? Ah. Yes. And thank you for clicking on this video, and I will be right back. Okay, that were all my Nerf blasters. Time to go over the hat. Pretty standard hat. Hat. This thing. You want to see it? Kind of looks like an Irish hat, but Jacksepticeye wears a hat like this. Don't sue me, I love you, Jacksepticeye. Love you, dear, sue me if you're watching this. Even though you're probably not watching this. Gotta think of my outro here. Okay, I've thought of my outro. Here it is. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, give it a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next video. Good.